In this video, you're going to learn how to change color of an object in Gimp. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm gonna grab this image here, this one. And I'd like to change this portion. Let's say I'm gonna go here, and also when you go here, you have this mode. You go from add to current, replace the current, feather edges, and the threshold. And now let's select this portion. Can increase the radius or decrease. Can increase the threshold, which as you can see is giving you different results when you select by red. Also you have that option, which is giving you, again, it's going to give you a different result. You can also drag the mask like this, and then I have this selected. So now I can go to maybe create. You can click on here, create a new layer, group layer. You can click on here, create a new layer, and here with the transparent, of course. And I can go here. Group is just to stay more organized, but now with this image, with this selected, can go Command C. And then here I go to this level, Command V, and now I can hide his. And this is what I have. And if I show, this is what I get here. And now with this selected, I can go to color and I can click on colorize, which will change the color. Now I know that's not the best selection because I haven't tried to do that. I'm just selecting something to show that you can just select a portion. Now I can hide and show you this part again. And with this, now of course we can, let's click on this and I can select again. Maybe I would like to just change the part. So sorry. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna drag like this. It's good if you have a graphic tablet. It can help. And then I'm gonna connect this. Now I can go to colorize and I can click on colorize now. Now it's changing the color, as you can see. Then also add dark, which you can't be able to see nothing but if you decrease, you can. And now you can also add blending mode, which is so powerful. I mean, it's already pretty, it's very actually, used, or a lot of softwares have this feature already, but it's good when they do have. Also, instead of if you want something that is, it does have a lot of the Photoshop features, I'm also using sometimes Photopea to change the color of an object, but this GIMP is also pretty helpful, so don't worry. In this case you don't have to go with Photoshop Squad, you can still stay here. Depends on what you need. If you're doing this professionally, editing photo, I think Photoshop it's a better option. Don't attack me, it's just my personal opinion. And now also have a foreground option. We have in can also select, as you can see, like so. You can also preview the mask. So sorry. So we have here levels, auto levels, but yeah, I'm that's pretty much it. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. Anyways, thanks for watching and take care.